Welcome to War India News Hour. In the age of modern warfare, the battlefield is no longer just on land, sea, or air, it is in the digital domain too. Today, we will explore how India is preparing itself for the same, but before that, let us take a look at today's headlines. India gets Lenovo Legion Gen 10 gaming laptops with RTX 5090 and OLED displays. Lenovo has launched its Legion 10 gaming laptops in India, including the Legion Pro 7i, Pro 5i, Legion 7i, and 5i. The flagship Legion Pro 7i comes with an Intel Core Ultra 9 275Hz CPU and NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPU enhanced by AI-powered LA3 and LA1 chips for real-time performance optimization. All models feature PureSight OLED displays with 250Hz refresh rates and advanced cold front vapor hyperchamber cooling. Prices start at Rs 2,49,990, available via Lenovo.com and exclusive stores. TCS launches new AI and Service Transformation Unit led by Amit Kapoor to drive digital transformation. TCS launches new AI and Services Transformation Unit led by Amit Kapoor to drive digital innovation. Tata Consultancy Services has set up a new AI and Services Transformation Unit led globally by Amit Kapoor effective September 1, 2025. The move consolidates its AI strategy, unifying AI, data, and digital capabilities to accelerate client engagement, innovation, and transformation. Reporting to COO Arthi Subramaniam, the unit will integrate AI across operations, engineering, and modernization. This restructuring signals TCS stronger focus on AI, positioning it to compete with rivals like Accenture and Cognizant while aligning with evolving market trends. IBM and AMD partnered to build next-gen quantum-centric supercomputing infrastructure. IBM and AMD have announced a strategic partnership to develop next-generation quantum-centric supercomputing by integrating quantum computing, AI, and high-performance computing. The collaboration combines IBM's expertise in quantum systems and software with AMD's leadership in CPUs, GPUs, and AI accelerators to create scalable hybrid computing platforms. This initiative aims to solve complex global challenges in areas like drug discovery, materials science, and logistics. By leveraging open source ecosystems such as IBM's Qiskit, both companies seek to accelerate innovation and advance fault-tolerant quantum computing. Spotify launches Messages feature to simplify music podcast and audiobook sharing. Spotify has introduced a new in-app feature called Messages, designed to make sharing music, podcasts, and audiobooks easier with friends and family. Rolling out this week for free and premium users aged 16 plus in select markets, Messages creates a dedicated space to recommend and track shared content. Spotify says this feature enhances social discovery by streamlining word-of-mouth recommendations, benefiting both users and creators. Whether it's a song, podcast, or audiobook, Messages help users connect and engage more seamlessly within the app. LinkedIn expands video ad program with publishers, creators, and brand sponsorships. LinkedIn is ramping up its video advertising strategy through its expanded brand link program, now including over 70 publishers and creators. The Microsoft-owned platform has partnered with AT&T Business, IBM SAP, and ServiceNow to sponsor new creator-led video shows. Since rebranding from its Wire program, LinkedIn has nearly doubled its creator base since 2021, boosting video uploads by 20% as of July. Brands can run 15-second pre-roll ads and sponsor exclusive shows by LinkedIn, aligning with the rise of influencer-driven marketing. Welcome back. India today is stepping into a new era of defense strategy where cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and indigenous innovation are as critical as tanks, ships, and aircraft. Modern conflict is increasingly defined by algorithms, drones, satellites, and firewalls blurring the boundary between traditional and digital warfare. At the heart of this shift lies speed, with militaries racing to shrink the OODA loop, which is observe, orient, decide, act, acting faster than adversaries through real-time data and AI-driven decision-making. Technology now dictates superiority as robotics, machine learning, and autonomous systems revolutionize combat readiness and operational efficiency. Equally vital is cyber dominance, where defending critical infrastructure and waging information warfare becomes as decisive as control over land or air. Cyber attacks can paralyze command systems, disrupt supply chains, and compromise national security, making cyber resilience a frontline defense priority. Finally, indigenization under the Make in India vision ensures strategic autonomy by building homegrown defense technologies and reducing reliance on imports. India strengthens sovereignty while preparing for an era where digital superiority defines power projection. India's future wars will not just be fought with weapons but with data, code, and cyber resilience. As we excitedly witness India's preparedness, we sign off for today. At this thought, we sign off for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to War India magazine. For more news and updates, you can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Stay tuned. Thank you.